In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your print shop with Monday.com. Managing a print shop involves juggling various tasks and ensuring everything runs smoothly. By using a tool like Monday.com, you can streamline your operations, enhance productivity, and coordinate with your team more effectively. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to Monday.com. This platform will be your primary tool for organizing tasks and projects related to running your print shop. When you arrive on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually placed prominently on the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to begin the sign-in process. If you have a Google account, you're in luck. You can make the login process quicker by selecting the Google option, which allows you to sign in using your existing Google credentials. Simply click on Google and choose the account you'd like to use. This seamless integration saves time and keeps things simple, especially if you're used to handling multiple platforms throughout your workday. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look to the left-hand panel where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon. Doing so will open up new options for creating or managing boards, which in Monday.com language are your main organizational spaces. Next, from the options that appear, locate and click on Template Center. This feature is incredibly useful as it provides pre-designed templates tailored to different types of projects and workflows. These templates can save you a lot of time and effort, particularly if you're unsure about how to set up your workflow from scratch. In the Template Center, there's a search bar where you can type in keywords to find specific templates. For a print shop, one effective template to use is Agile. So go ahead and type Agile into the search bar. Monday.com will quickly present you with a selection of templates related to agile project management, which is known for its flexibility and efficiency, two crucial aspects for a thriving print shop. After identifying the Agile Project Management template, click on it. This template will provide you with a structured yet flexible framework that you can adapt according to the specific needs of your print shop. This setup will help you track projects, manage team workloads, and ensure deadlines are met with ease. Finally, hit the Use Template button. This action will import the template into your Monday.com workspace, ready to be customized and utilized. You'll be able to add tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and much more, all tailored to the specific needs of your print shop. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set the stage for efficient management of your print shop using Monday.com. This method not only simplifies complex workflows, but also enhances team collaboration, ensuring you keep everything running smoothly and efficiently.